नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ JV Dr. Monica Trivedi, and in today's topic I have selected the oxidation of aromatic rings. So the benzene is a stable compound and it is not affected by a usual oxidizing agent. Okay, so it is for reason that the benzene is used as a solvent in a most organic reaction. However, the benzene undergoes aerial oxidation in the presence of V2O5. You can see here the oxidation of unsubstituted rings of polyaromatic hydrocarbons, which result in the loss of the substitutable energy required in various conditions. Reaction can result either in a cleavage of the ring or the formation of quinones. Okay, so in the polyaromatic compound, okay, if we apply CaMnO4, O2, V2O5 and O3, these all are a oxidizing agent. So either it convert into a aromatic ring, okay, or it form a quinones. Okay, so you can see in the first example, in presence of CaMnO4, H plus ion, and some kind of heat is there, so you will get the whole benzene ring is oxidized, and the COH and COH group is present over here. Acid group will present here. Now, if in same reactant, we will apply the O2, V2O5, we will get the CO and O. There is no oxygen, so this kind of quinones. Okay, and um, if we apply the O3 oxidizing agent, it will reduce the one benzene ring and give us a acid. Okay, like diphenylic acid. Okay, so and chromic acid can also be used as an oxidizing agent. Quinoline is oxidized to pyridine 2,3 dicarboxylic acid, which easily lose the 2 carboxy substituent on being heated. Okay, so this kind of reaction you can see here. And the quinoline oxidation of chromium oxide and CaMnO4, these all both are oxidizing agent. Quinolic acid form, and then on heating it will give the nicotine acid. Okay, and another example, isoquinoline on oxidation give the chromonic acid, synchromonic acid. Okay, so and simply it will give the oxalic, it will give the acid to on the oxidation of the benzene ring. Now the chromic acid does not leads to the ring fusion. Okay, for example, if it react with the naphthalene in the presence of acetic acid, okay, the solution at the room temperature, it will give 1,4-naphthoquinone. Simple. The double bond is present on 1 and 2 positions, so the compound will be the 1,4-naphthoquinone. Okay, now the chromic acid also oxidize other polynuclear atomic hydrocarbons into the quinones. Okay, like there is another example like CH3, the chromic oxide reduce the benzene ring only, not reduce the CH3 group. Okay, so in another example, naphthalene. Okay, so the aromatic rings or the phenol are very substitutable to the oxidation by one electron oxidation, such as a potassium ferrocyanide. Okay, this is a mechanism of a free radical mechanism. Okay, what happened, OH group present on the benzene ring, by removing or elimination of one hydrogen, the oxygen will contain the free radical. Now this oxygen, by the delocalization of the bond, okay, the free radical delocalize on the benzene ring. Now if the 2 moles of it will go the coupling reaction also, like if two moles of free radical of oxygen combine with each other and bond like OO, so it is a oxidative coupling reaction also. Okay, now one position of oxygen and one position of carbon is containing free radical, it can also combine and it will give benzene ring O, and the oxygen attached with the another benzene ring having phenol. Now if the position of benzene ring with the free radical changes, we can find the many different components. Okay, so these are some example of the coupling reaction, oxidizing coupling reactions. Okay, so this coupling reaction are most common in biosynthesis. These are used in a biosynthesis. Just to change a free radical position on the benzene ring, we can find the many of products. Okay, now 2-naphthol on oxidation with Fe plus 3 give diphenols. Okay, 2-naphthol on presence of Fe3 plus, it will reduct the oxidize the hydrogen and the free radical over oxygen, and now it can be interchanged into if the free radical shifted to the benzene ring and oxygen contain double bond with carbon. Now this type kind of molecule undergo into the dimerization process, and after the tautomerism you will find the diol. Okay, or diphenols. Now the 2,6-dimethyl phenol undergo the oxidation to give the quinone. Like what happened here, same as the above reaction, the Fe3 plus react on the benzene ring, eliminate the hydrogen, the free radical occurs on the benzene ring. After the conjugation or delocalization of bond, the free radical come to the another position, and then dimerization happen, and after tautomerism you will get the quinone structure. Okay, there are some other example of oxidation of aromatic benzene ring. You can see here the elimination of CH H of molecule, and the dimerization process happen. Okay, so the phenol has been treated. If you can see the bottle of the phenol that has been exposed to the air, it very likely to be colored due to the formation of the colored complex product. Okay, in the case of phenol, allow their use where the antioxidant are needed to the radicals to be prevent the chain reaction. Okay, so the particularly effective in this respect is 2,6-di tricyl butyl 4-methyl phenol, which is commercially antioxidant used to prevent the polymerization of the alkene as well as the oxidation of the highly suspected compounds. So this phenol with neither free ortho nor free para position cannot be coupled like the phenol already noted in above reaction. Okay, so if the phenol is filled with the ortho and para position, it will not react further. Okay, the oxidation of p cresol by the ferrocyanide by or by seric ammonium nitrate. There is a good one, electron oxidation during the oxidation process, like ferric ion, and gain an electron to be reduced by ferric plus 3. Okay, so to give the addition the carbon-carbon dimer, you can see here the addition reaction. Okay, this is the mechanism of the addition reaction. These are the another example. Okay, so next is oxidation of phenols with oxygens. Okay, so what happened, phenol with 1-hydroxy group may also be oxidized to quinones by the introduction of the another oxygen atom. Okay, the best reagent for the achieving the transformation is Fermi salt. Okay, this stable free radical react with the phenol to produce a corresponding 1,4 quinone rather than the 1,2 quinone is a good yield. Okay, you can see the mechanism of this is the Fermi salt, and it will react with the benzene, and it will give the 1,4 quinones. So it block their position of 4, and it will give 1,2 quinone with Fermi salt, because the fourth position is occupied by butyl. It's okay. The quinone is formed on a 1 and 2 position. Okay, thank you very much. This is all about the oxidation of aromatic rings.